Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about what is one of the best ways to make passive income in 2024. It's a great subject. A lot of people are interested in this. We've helped loads of clients achieve this. I've got some great insights for you. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. So you're looking to make some passive income for yourself and your family, and you're looking at some of the best ways to achieve this online. It's a great idea. And I think, and so do everybody at WP Tonic, that building a membership website and offering a course based on your experience or knowledge is one of the best ways to produce legitimate passive income for yourself and for your family. We're experts at WP Tonic in this area, and we utilize WordPress, which is the best way to build a membership course if you want total ownership and total digital sovereignty, as I say. And it's just a great idea. Now, there's particular, if you're selling to business to consumer, which a lot of you will be doing, or you could be selling business to business, there are particular categories that are very adapt to this business model of membership website and passive income. Now, some of these categories are language teaching, courses, personal development, coaching is very popular, arts and crafts, around fitness. There's a number of categories that are really adapt to this. One thing I want to point out to you is do not start this journey on too broad a category. I've just given you some categories here, but you're best to find a niche in that particular broad category if you're looking to be successful with your first launch. And you really have to understand that your first launch, you mustn't go down trying to build some massive course. I'm going to take this concept from the bootstrap startup world of a minimum viable product, and I'm going to put this into your mind, a minimum viable course. Keep that thought in your mind and do not attempt to build what I call the war and peace of courses. That will not work for you. Now, passive income. Well, when it comes to membership, you've got to choose a category that you're going to get a result in this minimum viable course. But unlike technology, that can really change in 6 months, unless you're dealing with a particular element of technology which is a bit more stable. You want to choose a subject where the insight you can provide is at a niche, but the fundamental knowledge that you're trying to impart to your students will probably for quite a period of time not fundamentally change. Hopefully you're getting the picture. Otherwise, it isn't that passive. The other thing is you're going to be producing a course which has what they call evergreen. The majority of it will be evergreen content. That's content that you will periodically have to update and improve, but you're not providing ongoing content or consultation that you have to do or give every week. We are talking about something that probably will only have to be updated every 6 months or yearly. But as long as the core elements do get a result to the niche target audience, you're going to satisfy those that sign up for the course. Now, nothing can be totally automatic. You are going to still have to deal with students' questions and support tickets, But at some stage, when you get established, you can actually get part-time online staff to help deal with that. So fundamentally, you really do have a business that can provide passive income without day-to-day involvement. And there's not many online businesses that can do that. Now, if you want to learn some more, I've written an article in the video description that goes into this in even more depth. And also there's some other links to some really great special offers that will help you build your membership website and ways to contact us at WP-Tonic. You'll find that in the video description. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. That would be appreciated, and subscribe to the channel. That really tells YouTube that I'm doing something right. I'll be back soon, folks. Bye.